amazing feeling because this Navratri, the idea was that 9 days में we have 18 stores, and then we realized that Navratri के साथ में there's also Dashera, so there's 10 days in total. So let's make the challenge 10 days, 20 stores. I'm very proud of my team, led by Ricky, Pan India. इस वक्त हमने 20 स्टोर खोल दिए हैं. अगले कुछ दिनों के अंदर ही अंदर we will close that, and that will be one of its kind to open 20 stores across India in just 10 days. Ricky, you want to tell them where all?
Well, we started with Hyderabad, then we went to Indore, we went to Kolkata, Mumbai, Delhi, Pune, and it's been a fantastic experience. Just apart from the rain, everything else has been very good.
बारिश का कोई कुछ नहीं कर सकता.
So what inspired you to join this brand and collaborate?
We created this brand. We created this brand from scratch. 2.5 years ago, Ricky and I decided to build a global company out of India, proudly made and designed here and created here, but create exceptional quality design and product that can go all across the world, because people generally, you always say, oh, fine Italian jewelry, fine French jewelry, why not fine Indian jewelry?
Correct, that's been our main
And so we made something that truly is international. Solitario in just 2.5 years is already in 9 countries across the world. So doing really, really well, and we're building from here to take it even bigger globally. So the whole excitement is that from 100 points of sale this year, we're trying to take it by next year to over 200 points of sale across the globe.
So what sets apart from luxury brands with the India, like which is going on Solitaire, apart from this luxury brand which is there in the market? What sets
So,
apart?
Solitario is set apart from many factors. We've just come up with something which is called Vermile Gold. So we take silver as a base metal and we wrap it with gold. With the price of gold rising, we've actually made it accessible for your daily use to be able to use Vermile Gold. And plus our quality control is very, very tight in our factory, from the quality of the diamonds to what is certified. And our main strength is our designs. We join up with 9 country designs and bring it back to India.
So what is your vision for like 3 to 5 years, like what you see as Solitaire?
I know my vision from here to the end of the year. We're opening another 25 shops. But yeah, from here to 3 to 5 years is a long time, and Solitario surprises me every day. Things that I don't expect happen so fast. So 5 years, I wouldn't be able to tell you, but very exciting.
Yeah, 2.5 साल के अंदर ही अंदर company's grown so much that it's IPO ready right now. But we've decided to push the IPO a little later for next year, because the growth has been so exponential that I think we'll create more value. We'll probably double value by the time we go public, and it's a highly profitable company with fantastic CAGR. So super excited that we are the early movers. We got the advantage in the space. Fantastic amount of interest from B2B, B2C, partners, franchises, geographical interest. People want to collaborate all over the world with us. International brands are reaching out saying, hey, can we collaborate on watches? Can we collaborate on eyewear? So many interesting kind of collaborations coming up. Very soon we'll announce officially 2 very large global brands that we've partnered with in terms of their design, collaborating with us for taking those units into beautiful jewelry and taking them globally. But the idea is the democratization of jewelry. आज की तारीख में अगर आप डायमंड ज्वेलरी खरीदना चाहते हैं, तो जो पहले सिर्फ 0.02% ऑफ द वर्ल्ड के लिए था कि भाई आपके पास इतना पैसा है कि आप डायमंड्स खरीद सकते हो, आज वो डेमोक्रेटाइज हो गया है. मोर पीपल कैन बाय डायमंड्स, लव डायमंड्स, एंजॉय देम. You don't have to pay crazy money for it, and that's also working now with colored stones. So now we have created lab-grown rubies, sapphires, all kinds of emeralds. So people are loving the whole variety in that kind of jewelry. पहले क्या होता था, आप एक ज्वेलरी बनाते थे तो 10 साल आपको वही पहनना पड़ता था. Then you could save enough to get next jewelry to set. I'm talking about the regular people. But now, with Solitario and the kind of designs you've got so many different jewelry ideas, potential, and prices so sweet that you can literally pick up, jewelry every single day, every single week. You can pick up jewelry that you can, change and wear differently.
So we can see a beautiful on your sleeve.
Yeah.
Can you say something about that?
This is a gift from Ricky to me. He was planning to give it to me for my birthday. This is Ramji with a Dhanush. So it's a beautiful design. And this is something that we are doing now in Solitario, where we are bringing in even the devotional aspect, making really beautiful devotional pieces that you can wear here, in your neck, in your ears, even in your mandir. right? You can keep those kind of beautiful devotional pieces. But it's special that it got delayed. It didn't come on my birthday, and it came at the right time because it's Navratri right now. And in these 9 beautiful days of prayer, I've got my Ramji sitting on my chest.
Sir, your message to Mumbaikars who come here and shop.
My message to Mumbaikars is that you've already given us so much love. Our existing stores are doing so well. It's a new store right here on Linking Road. It's a fantastic location. Please come, please shop, and enjoy being a proud Solitario owner.